Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this Eufy Security Solo Outdoor Cam Pro C24 by Anker. Multi-purpose security camera with a 2K ultra clear resolution and built-in spotlight technology. Human and pet detection for indoor and outdoor use with a 2K color recording. You can use it to record your footage on a 32GB micro SD. Enjoy anywhere access with the Eufy Security app, download from App Store or Google Play Store, and you can access on a live view and recording history, advanced AI for human and pet detection, smart notification at your smartphone at any time when detected motion, 2K footage, built-in spotlight, IP67 ready for any extreme weather condition, communicate with your camera, two-way audio communication, and more. All that we're gonna find out together as I'm going to open this camera, install it to my network, and find out the best options and settings from the app and use this camera. Eufy Security, your privacy is something that we value as much as you do. Thumbs up for that, Eufy. Let me say I have made so many videos about Eufy cameras, security cameras, and I can say they've got a great product, amazing products. Definitely you will be so happy using the products from Eufy. And not only saying that because I'm doing reviews for Eufy, it is my personal experience, and as you are watching my videos you will understand the quality of the products. Well, let's open to see what we have inside. Another box inside with all the accessories. Oh, and we've got a micro SD included inside, 32GB. Nice, I like that. Okay, it is a Kingston Canvas Select Plus. It is a 32GB class 10. Definitely it is a fast micro SD, I like that. Inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me as usual. You're gonna find out all about this product. We've got the power adapter. It has an output 5 volt, 1 amp, 5 watt power consumption. Okay. This is the magnetic base. And you can see we've got a strong magnet. 2 screws included. You can screw that at any place, if that is a concrete, soft brick, wood. And you can stick that. And then just take your Eufy camera, let's remove that, I will show you, and place it at the right position because it has magnets, and definitely it is so strong it can hold this camera. Okay, we've got stickers. If you don't want to screw it at the wall with screws, just we've got this 3M sticker, very good sticker. Stick it at the back and then at the place where it's more suitable for you to use this camera. And of course we've got a long cable. It is about 20 feet cable or 6 meters. Definitely it is very helpful, so long cable. It will help you to install at any place this camera. Okay. That was all included at the box. Thumbs up for the micro SD, I like that. Okay, it says ensure tight seal. Yeah, of course, because this is a waterproof IP67. And here we can install the micro SD. Easy installation. Just press, it will lock. Inside we've got the sync button. The speaker. It says Eufy Security 2K. I'll seal it very well that. We'll need to use the sync button. The connection, and as you can see guys, let's remove that. Long cable, and we'll get a seal it connection. This is rubber, soft rubber. Yep. Tight connection, no water will go inside of this connection. I like it, perfect. Nice rubber. Okay, and let's reveal the gorgeous lens at the front, the Ultra 2K resolution and f2.0 aperture work in a tandem to produce vivid image that gives you the complete picture. So high quality. Nice, I like it. And you can see there's a lens. And here we've got the built-in spotlight, illuminates the surrounding area when motion is detected and allows the camera to capture footage in a vivid color. Gives you a much clearer view who is at the front of the camera. Color detail at the night with this spotlight. And of course combine it with the 4 super powerful infrared lights around here. Ensure that the OutdoorCam Pro is capable to detecting and capturing more than ever before. And you will enjoy the ultra long night vision monitoring range up to 8 meters. And at the front we have the LED indicator. And of course here we've got the microphone. Combined with a speaker, you will enjoy a crystal clear two-way audio communication. Communicate with a person that is in the front of the door. Give him instruction, where to go, where to leave the packets, or at all time you can speak with the unwanted person in front of the door and just tell him, you are not invited, leave my property. Give him instruction, go away. And of course the camera lens ultra wide viewing angle 130 degrees view ensures that every corner is covered when event is recorded. And of course this camera with the onboard AI is processing your data more securely and with a greater accuracy. And it fits to my palm of my hand. It is like a golf ball. I like it. Great design, thumbs up. And I think it's time for connection to my network. Make the setup. There's the base. Ooh, so much rubber. So soft, I like it. And you can see at the base the detail make a product so good. We've got the design from the logo of the Eufy, the anchor. You can see here. Nice. I like the details. And we've gotten this gap. You can insert the cable here. After install it at the wall with this metal bracket. Nice. Now let's plug it in. We've got the LED status indicator. Download the Eufy security app from iOS or Google Play Store, make an account, add a device, and as you can see, Eufy has so many devices. You need to choose the OutdoorCam. Next, plug the device, wait until the LED turns solid blue. It is solid blue. Next, and now we need to scan the QR code that it is here. Okay, and then we need to press the sync button. There's the sync button until you hear the beep. I heard the beep, perfect. Okay, it's flashing blue, heard the beep. We're using the app. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, enter the passcode of your network, confirm.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
Of course.
Setup was successful.
New micro SD card detected. Okay, next. Let's say front door. You can choose one of these or customize. Next. Format. Perfect. Formatted successfully. Next. Select a way to mount your camera. Upright installation, upside down installation. I think upright installation. Some instruction how you can install your camera. Keep a gap from more than 10 inches, 25 centimeters between objects to the side of the camera. Next. What accessories you can use for the mount plate at the wall. Next. Okay, I will show you of course how you can do that. and finish. No issue. And because this is a rubber with magnet, you can install it at any metal surface, install the camera, and no need for any screws or stickers. That is very convenient, I like it. If you decided to install it outside or inside, or not even install it at the wall and just have it at your furniture, of course it is your choice. Now I will show you how you can install it at the wall. You need only one screw. We've got this gap at the metal. Cable goes here inside. It is for the connection. Just going to hold the cable, rubber magnet, make the connection, seal it connection, no water will go inside, and then just place the camera at the right position. You won't. You can move it left and right, down, up, it is your choice. And of course you can change in this rubber because it has other rotation. You can put it just like that and have more angle. Again, rotation left and right. It is your choice, find the right angle. You can do the adjustments and enjoy the Ultra 2K resolution. It was an easy installation. Well guys, that was all about. On my next video I will test and review this camera from the app and find out the true high quality that it can give you on your footage and all the settings from the app. That's why subscribe, hit the notification bell because you don't want to lose the next video, and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.